Hello, my amazing viewers. Welcome back to the English Beat. I'm Ben, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. If you're tuning in for the first time, hit that subscribe button. We're all about making English fun, fast, and effortless. Now, let's dive in. I get this question all the time in the comments. Ben, how can I practice English at home without a teacher or partner? Some folks think it's impossible, like you need fancy classes or trips abroad. But guess what? That's a myth. You can absolutely level up your English right from your cozy spot, your bedroom, kitchen, or couch. No excuses needed. In this video, I'll share 5 upgraded, super effective ways to do it, plus bonus tips to keep you motivated. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal a simple routine that changed my own English journey. Trust me, if I can go from stumbling over words to chatting confidently, so can you. Learning English at home isn't rocket science. All it takes is a bit of dedication and the right mindset. Studies show that consistent daily practice can boost language skills by up to 50% in just a month. Yeah, that's from language apps like Duolingo's research. But the key? Make it enjoyable so it sticks. Small, fun sessions beat cramming any day. Integrate English into your routine, and it'll feel like second nature. No more forcing it. It'll flow. Ready? Let's break it down step by step. I'll include real examples, apps to try, and ways to track your progress so you see real results. First up, self-talk. This is my favorite starter method because it's zero pressure and builds confidence fast. Just narrate your day in English out loud. For instance, while brushing your teeth, say, "I'm brushing my teeth to keep them clean and healthy." Or during breakfast, "I'm pouring milk into my cereal. It's crunchy and delicious." At first it might feel awkward, like talking to a mirror, but that's normal. I remember when I started, I laughed at myself, but after a week, my sentences got smoother. Why does it work? It trains your brain to think in English, not translate from your native language. Pro tip: record yourself on your phone once a week. Play it back to spot improvements in speed and fluency. Apps like Voice Recorder are free and easy. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily and watch your natural speaking skyrocket. No partner required, just you and your voice. Second, listening practice. Immerse yourself in English sounds every day to sharpen your ears. Start with YouTube channels like BBC Learning English or podcasts such as English Class 1. They're beginner-friendly and cover real-life topics. Pop in earbuds while commuting or doing chores. Don't worry if you catch only 30% at first. Exposure is key. Over time, your comprehension will climb. To level up, try shadowing. Listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat it exactly, mimicking the intonation. This hones pronunciation too. Explore accents for variety. American for casual chats, think TED Talks. British for elegance, BBC News. Or Australian for fun vibes, podcasts like the Joe Rogan Experience clips. Why bother with accents? It prepares you for global conversations. English isn't one size fits all. If you're advanced, challenge yourself with audiobooks on Audible. Track progress by noting new words weekly in a notebook. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes a day, and soon you'll understand movies without subtitles. Third, reading. Grab anything in English and dive in. It's a powerhouse for vocabulary and grammar. Begin with graded readers like Oxford Bookworms for stories at your level, or free sites like BBC News simplified articles. Read aloud to practice speaking muscles. It helps with tricky sounds like they or are. For example, read a short paragraph. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Feel how your tongue moves? Reading builds sentence patterns subconsciously. Mix it up. Phone notifications, social media posts, or even recipe blogs if you love cooking. To add depth, highlight unknown words and look them up on dictionary.com. Aim to learn 5 to 10 new ones daily. For personalization, if you're into tech, read Wired articles, sports fans, ESPN summaries. Track with a reading log. Note pages read and what you learned. This method not only expands ideas for writing, but boosts confidence in real-world reading, like emails or signs. Dedicate 10 minutes daily, and you'll notice richer thoughts in English. Fourth, writing practice. Don't skip this. It's where magic happens for clarity and creativity. Start simple. Jot down your day in a journal. Today, I woke up at 7 a.m., brewed coffee, and planned my workout. Build from there to full paragraphs about dreams or opinions like, I believe traveling broadens the mind because... Use free tools like Grammarly to check errors. It's like a personal editor. For variety, try prompts from apps such as Journal Prompts or Reddit's r/writing prompts in English. This reinforces structure and vocabulary. If you're prepping for work, practice emails. Dear team, I'd like to discuss the project updates. Share anonymously on forums like Lang8 for feedback. Track by reviewing old entries monthly. See how your grammar evolves. Writing cements what you learn from other practices. Make it 10 minutes a habit, and your emails, essays, or chats will shine. Fifth, watching and repeating. This one's interactive and fun, perfect for pronunciation pros. Pick short clips from Netflix shows like Friends, Easy Dialogue, or YouTube tutorials. Watch a scene, pause, and echo the lines. Copy tone, speed, and gestures. For example, in a comedy clip, repeat, "How you doin'?" with Joey's flair. This makes you sound native-like. Apps like Fluently turn videos into lessons with subtitles and quizzes. Vary content. News for formal speech, vlogs for casual. To address accents, start with one, e.g., American, and branch out. Why effective? It combines listening and speaking, fixing common issues like rhythm. Record and compare to originals. For progress, set goals like mastering 5 phrases weekly. Do this 10 to 15 minutes and conversations will feel effortless. Now, a few golden nuggets to supercharge your practice. First, embrace mistakes. They're your best teachers. I messed up pronouns for months, but each fix made me stronger. Laugh it off and move on. Second, craft a 30-minute daily routine, 5 minutes self-talk, 10 listening, 5 reading aloud, 5 writing, 5 repeating. Adjust based on your level. Beginners focus on basics. Intermediates add challenges. Use timers like Focus Booster. Third, weave English into life. Label home items in English, think recipes in English while cooking, or describe walks mentally. This keeps your brain engaged 24/7. Remember my story? As a non-native speaker, I struggled until I committed to home practice. No classes, just consistency. After 3 months, I aced job interviews in English. You can too. Learning English is like building muscle. Daily reps yield strength. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate wins, like understanding a full podcast. All right, friends on the English beat. You've got the blueprint to practice English at home. No classes, no stress. Just you, time, and these methods. Commit today, and in weeks, you'll speak with ease. Practice unlocks doors. Thanks for watching. If this helped, Smash that like, share with a friend struggling with English, and subscribe for more tips. Comment your favorite method below. I'll reply. See you next time on the English Beat. Keep beating those language barriers.